Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Try this easy and tasty 10 minutes evening snack with less ingredients. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Take a bowl. To this add 1 cup of semolina or rava, 1/4 cup of milk powder, 1/3 cup of sugar powder and salt to taste. Mix everything together. Now add 1 egg and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix. Make a form of dough and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, grease your palm with oil and take some portion from the dough. Make a round ball shape and flatten it. Take a knife and give cuts on it. This is only for design. Now we will fry them in a hot oil. Fry them until they are golden brown in color. Once they fried well, remove them from the oil on a tissue paper. And that's it. Your quick, easy and tasty evening snack is ready to be served. Enjoy it with your favorite tea or coffee. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.